Welcome back to Immigration Insight. The Australian Department of Home Affairs offers an online tool called Immi Account that enables potential migrants and tourists to electronically manage their visa applications and associated procedures. This tool allows users to prepare and submit their own applications for both temporary and permanent visas to Australia. In this guide, we will take you step by step through the process of setting up and using the Immi Account dashboard to apply for an Australian visa. Types of Immi accounts. Although anyone can create an Immi account, there are different types based on whether you are an organization or an individual, such as a legal business or immigration agency. To apply, you must register as an individual. Family members assisting with your application or submitting on your behalf can also register for an account once designated as your representative. Australian migration lawyers can create an account as an organization. Step-by-step registration process. Step 1. Initial setup. To create an Immi account, you'll need your personal information and a working email address. Start by clicking the Create an Immi Account link on the Department of Home Affairs website. This will direct you to the registration page where you must enter your email address. A verification code will be sent to your email, so ensure you can access it immediately. Step 2. Enter user information. After entering the verification code, you will be prompted to enter your user information. If you don't receive the code, check your spam or junk folder or choose Resend Verification Code. Choose Individual Account for the necessary services, as applications for citizenship and visas are included in each individual Immi account. Then, enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your passport. Step 3. Finalize account information. Complete your account setup by creating a password and answering security questions. Ensure your questions are unique and your password is secure. Activating security alerts is also recommended to be notified of any unauthorized access to your account. Step 4. Accept terms and conditions. Finally, read and accept the terms and conditions of the account, and check the box to certify that you are not a robot. After verifying your humanity and agreeing to the terms, submit your application. You will receive an email with a confirmation link immediately. Role of Immi Account in visa application process. Your Immi account is the primary platform for uploading documents, submitting them, making changes, and contacting the Department of Home Affairs. From the time you submit your application until you receive feedback on its status, your Immi account will be integral. Specifically, an Immi account allows you to submit applications for short-term or long-term visas, amend personal information or attach new documents, obtain precise updates on your application progress, review the terms and conditions of your visa, pay related costs securely, sign up for email updates on application status or visa changes, post-application activities. Even after submitting your initial visa application, your Immi account remains crucial. It allows you to check the status of your application, respond to information requests from the Department of Home Affairs, monitor the terms of your current visa. More precisely, the Immi account enables you to receive and review communications, find out required information, and be notified of any application inaccuracies. For efficient management of the Australian immigration process, setting up an Immi account is essential. This tool simplifies handling your visa application and keeps you informed of all developments. Setting up an Immi account is a vital step towards achieving your Australian ambitions. It equips you with the tools and assistance needed to manage your visa application effectively. Please share your opinions in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Good luck!